Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. It's your English teacher. So we have already completed chapter sports. So today we will move on English grammar topic. So today's first of all we will know write the date classwork Friday 4th December 2020. Our subject is English grammar, textbook junior English, and topic is adverbs. So let's start. So adverbs are the word which describes our verb or actions. For example, I ate my dinner quickly. How I ate my dinner quickly. It describes the action word. What it is describing? It is describing the action words that how I ate my dinner. I ate my dinner quickly. Sam sees many puppies outside. Sam sees many puppies outside. Where he have seen the puppies? Outside. As you can see in the picture, he can see the puppies outside, describing action words. What is it doing? It is describing action words. My father came home early. When my father came home early. As you can see in the last early, it is describing came, which is an action word, and early, it's an adverb. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. How, where, or when an action happens. Daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. These are few kinds or types. These are few examples of adverbs. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. It never tells about a noun or a pronoun. Adverbs describes only verbs. What adverbs describes? It describes only verbs. Adjectives describes noun. An adverb never describes a noun. So you can understand now difference between adverb and adjective. I ate a heavy meal. Heavy meal. It is describing the meal, so it is an adjective. So this is sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. The dress is elegant. Elegant is an adjective. Elegant, it is describing the dress, so it is an adjective. But to make it verb, we will add ly. She dresses elegantly. Okay, so sometimes we add ly. So now we will solve junior English exercise number 73 and 76. So open your